friends, how are you? Welcome to this video from SHIKKHA YouTube channel. In this video, I will make a breakout game with Scratch. So let's start coding. For this project, we need 4 sprites. First, a paddle. Second, a ball or a brick breaker. Third, a brick. And a sprite 1 is game over or you win or lose, etc. First, I code our paddle. I go to events and need on green for click and go to control and need forever and go to motion and need set x2 mouse x. I go to sensing and need mouse x. Okay, our paddle's code is complete. Then I go to ball. I go to costumes. See this costume. Here are 5 costumes of this ball. So I go to events and need when green for click and go to control, need forever and go to looks, need next costumes. And I go to control and need wait 1 second. Okay, it's optional. I click green flag. Okay, then I go to events again and need on green for click. I go to motion and need go to X position and Y position. X position is 0 and Y position is also 0. Then I need point in direction 19, but not 19. I go to operators and need pick random 1 to 10. I make some change, pick random minus 45 to only 45 or plus 45. Then I go to control and need wait 1 second and make some change, wait 3 seconds. Then I need forever from control and I need if then and go to operators and need or. Then I go to sensing and need touching mouse pointer, but not mouse pointer, touching pedal. If touching pedal or touching brake, Then I go to motion and need pointing direction 19, but not 19. I go to operators and need minus 180 minus direction. I go to motion and need direction. Then I go to control and need if then. I go to sensing and need touching mouse pointer again, but it's not mouse pointer, it's edge. If touching edge, I go to motion, if on edge, bounce. If on edge, bounce, and I go to control again and need if then also again. Then I go to operators and need smaller than and go to motion and need Y position smaller than minus 155. Okay, then I go to events and need broadcast loss. It's a message. You make a loss message and player wins message. Then I code our third sprite or break. I show this sprite, it's our break. I go to costume. You can use a square or rectangle also. Okay, that's same. I use this break. Then I go to code. First I make blocks. My blocks, I go to my blocks and click make a block. Block name render level. Okay, Then I go to motion and need go to X position and Y position. X position is minus 150 and Y position is 167. Okay, then I go to variables and make a variable. Variable's name score. Then I need set score to 0 but not 0. Set score to 30. Set score to 30 and I go to control need repeat 10 but not 10, repeat 5 and need I repeat again, it's repeat 6. Then I need create clone of myself. Okay, it's myself and I go to variables and need change score by 1. Change score by 1 but not 1. Change score by minus 1. Then I go to motion and need change x by 10 but not 10. Change x by 57. Set x to minus 146 but I make some change minus 150 and I need change y by minus 20. Then hide this sprite. So I go to looks and need hide blocks. Then I go to events and need when green flag click. I go to control and need repeat 10 but not 10. I make some change repeat 30 and I go to looks change color by. So I need change color effect by 25. Okay, it's fine. Then I go to events and need when green click and show the sprite. So I go to looks and need show and render level. So I go to my blocks and these blocks is render level. Then I go to control and need when I start as a clone. I go and I need forever and also need if then. Then I go to sensing and need touching mouse pointer but it's not mouse pointer, touching ball. If touching ball, change score by 1. So I need change score by 1 and delete this clone. So I go to control and need delete this clone. Then I go to events and need when green flag click and I go to control and need forever and if then. Then I go to operators and need equal to. If score equal to 13. So I go to variables and need a variable name score. If score equal to 30, broadcast player wins. So I go to events and need broadcast loss, not loss, player wins. You make this message. Then I code our last sprite or lose or win. You lose, you win. I go to code and need when green flag click from events and motion, go to X position and Y position and go to look switch costume to win but not win, switch costume to costume 1 and go to background. I need go to forward 1 layer but not forward, go to backward 99 layers. Then I go to events and need when I receive loss. I go to looks and need switch costume to win but not win, switch costume to lose and show this sprite. Then go forward 99 layers and stop all. So I go to control and need stop all and I duplicate this code. When I receive player wins, switch costume to win and go to forward 99 layers, stop all. So our clothing is complete, then I play this game. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.